hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new watching this video, you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 9.7 thousand of you, which is absolutely insane, and I would love it if you could join my corner of the internet where we do all things Lush, beauty, crystals and everything in between. So I hope you guys subscribe if you aren't already. And now let's dive into today's video. Today's video is a super exciting one because I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the January Lush kitchen box for 2022. I cannot believe I have been nearly doing these for a year now, which is absolutely insane, and I love filming these videos. I think you guys like me doing these videos, let me know down below, but I am so excited. I have seen no spoilers, and bearing in mind this got delivered probably about a week ago, I'm very impressed with myself, I have to say. So without further ado, we are going to jump right in. I hope you guys enjoy. Grab yourselves a drink or a snack or both, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So the first thing in the box is a door hook hanging, what are these called? A door hook? A door, I don't know, but it has got a QR code on the back, so I am going to quickly open it and see what it does. I think it opens up, wow, that's cool. It opens up a Spotify playlist that's Sunshine in January, and they have made a Spotify playlist. That's very fun. I am going to listen to that when I have a bath, so I'm going to save that on my phone. That's really, really cute and really different. I love the idea of that, so fantastic. Now the next item, I can feel a bottle. I'm going to have to get it. Let's go for the bottle first. Oh, it feels big. Ooh, okay, this is the Happy Facade Shower Gel, and this says, for a ray of sunshine through the clouds, exotic and uplifting neroli, refreshing grapefruit and toning Sicilian mandarin oils are here to help you go from blue to bright. And ingredients wise, before I smell it, we've got white lily infusion, water, organic aloe vera gel, sea salt, neroli, grapefruit, mandarin. I am so excited to smell this. I really hope it has a very similar smell to like Frozen, but I don't think it will, but let's give it a try and see. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's really liquidy, wow. I don't know if you guys can see how liquidy that is. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, slightly a bit disappointed because to me it smells like Happy Hippie. Like the exact same smell as Happy Hippie, which I used in the shower this morning, which was great, but I don't really like it when you get an exclusive product and it just smells like something we've already had, unless it's like Lord of Misrule or Plum Rain scented, but it smells good. I just kind of expected a little bit more, do you know what I mean? But it does smell good. I will use it, but it is hella liquidy. So yeah, shower gel, and it's a decent size as well, so I can't really complain. So next up, moving on, we have got a shower smoothie, and this one is the Gumback Express shower smoothie, and it says that it leaves your skin soft, polished and smelling like banana ice cream. Now I'm excited to smell it, but before that we will go through the ingredients. So this has orange blossom infusion, almond oil, apricot kernel oil, coconut oil, rapeseed oil, almond shells, bananas, agave syrup, so many ingredients. I'm just gonna have to smell it because I'm far too excited. Does it look like a banana smoothie? That is the question. Oh, it does. Oh, that looks like the that face mask. What was it called? Braised honey? That's what this looks like. Shut up, that's, oh my god. That smells like banana foam sweets, like foam banana sweets. The Body Shop do a banana shampoo that was really, really popular a few years ago. This smells exactly like that, like fake foam banana. I love that. That smells delish. If you don't like the smell of bananas, you will not like it, but I'm a banana fan, so yeah, I'm really excited to give that a go, and it's a decent sized pot as well, so love that. Okay, moving on to the next item. Ooh, okay, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I completely forgot that they were doing the perfumes every single month. I know that's awful, but with Christmas and everything, I feel like I've just completely forgotten everything from last year, but we've got the perfume from this year, and let's open it together and see what flavour it is. Flavour, as if I'm gonna eat it. This is, ooh, tropical fruit. Never heard of that before. Cypress oil, cedarwood oil, ylang ylang oil, vetiver oil. We're gonna have to give it a smell. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, wait. Does that smell like jungle? No. It smells very similar to jungle, but I can't tell whether it's the same, whether it's just similar. But that's straight up what it reminds me of is jungle. But that's really nice. Again, love the perfumes. I completely forgot they were doing those. So now moving on to the next item, we have got a shirt. You guys know I love a shampoo bar. I'm gonna need a minute. This is so exciting. Okay, so this is the next item. How cute is that? It's a blue shampoo bar that's blue and purple, and it has like confetti sprinkles on. I feel like this would be me as a shampoo bar, do you know what I mean? I am gonna have to look at the menu in the box because I'm not actually sure what this is. This is the Pool Bar, which is a shampoo bar. Ingredients, we have got sage oil, tea tree oil, lemon oil, citric acid, etc, etc. Let's give it a smell. Oh, okay. This is very strong in tea tree. I think this is going to be brilliant for people who've got who just want like a clean scalp, do you know what I mean? Like we all love that. Oh, that smells delish. Really clean, really fresh, very tea tree-y, if that's even a word. I am so excited to give this a try. I love shampoo bars. You guys know that shampoo bars are probably one of my all-time favourite Lush products because they just work so well for my hair. I think they're absolutely brilliant. They lather up great, and I'm so excited to give this a try. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. And I think we have one more item in the box, and that is... Ooh, what is this? This is a bubble bar. That's really pretty. I love the purple. Let's see what it is. This is the Bathos Bubble Bar. Ingredients wise, we have got bergamot oil, clove bud oil, jasmine absolute, rose absolute, violet leaf absolute, ylang ylang oil. I really hope this smells like Parma violets. Let's give it a smell. Oh, it does. Oh, that smells on my nose amazing. This smells very, very, very similar, if not the same smell, to that violet bubble bar that came out, I think was for Easter or Mother's Day, and it looked like a rainbow. This was a few years ago. Or there was that rabbit bath bomb that smelled the same. It just smells like Parma Violet, or that Curbside Violet perfume. That's what this smells like. Really nice. If you like the smell of Parma violets, or you like eating Parma violets, or if you're not from the UK, do you have Parma violets? I don't even know, but basically smells and tastes like violet, and that's what this smells like. Absolutely delish. Oh, I love it. 10 out of 10 Lush. Brilliant. So that is everything that was inside the Lush kitchen box for January. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love to know down below whether you subscribe to this box, or if you don't, still tell me down below what product you would have absolutely have loved to have in your collection, because for me it's definitely the shampoo bar. I am so excited to give that a try. However, I do have to say I like everything. I would say that the smell of this was slightly disappointing, only because to me it smells like Happy Hippie. However, it may smell a bit different in the shower. I will have to give it a go and let you guys know on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me if you don't, if you want to see a review, because I'll definitely put that on there. But yes, overall I absolutely love this box. I love the Spotify playlist idea. That was really, really cute, and yeah, absolutely obsessed with everything. So that's everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Obviously, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I am really trying to grow my channel this year and do my best, so if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do, and I will leave all my other social medias in the description. But yes, I'm gonna go film another video, so I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I will see you very soon. I love you guys a lot, and yeah. Bye guys!